All right, it's the dead of winter and it's getting down to being terribly cold here in the Midwest this week. Some of the predictions even show -5 or -10 degrees. And when we have weather like this, you want to take necessary precautions to make sure your house is ready for the terrible cold temperatures. One of the things I wanted to show today on this video is just the outside hose faucet. Bam. A lot of people just don't even worry about this, and you might be fine if you don't worry about it. But I like to take necessary precautions and do a few little extra things just in case. So I'll show you guys what I do. First, we're gonna go downstairs and I'll show you how I'm shutting off the hose faucet from the basement. Usually these are going to be inside the house in the basement. So you want to find where your faucet comes in from the outside. Mine is right out here on this window. You want to find where it comes in, and then you'll trace it back, and basically mine comes in right here. You'll see something that looks similar to this. This is going to be your inside shut off. Now, if you've never messed with this before, it might be a little bit rusty. You don't want to force it. But what you want to do is you just want to turn it, and I'm going to turn that way, and I've already shut mine off, but that's the way you're going to turn. And if you're not sure which way, do not force it, but you can open it up, which would be back that way, or close it, which is going to be that way. Make sure it's tight, hand tight, but not too tight, okay? And this is going to shut off your water on the inside of the house that goes out, all right? But there's also a couple things I do on the outside for double precaution. So we'll go back outside and show you that. All right, I'm at the outside faucet now, and basically, if your faucet works correctly and shuts off all the way, you won't need one of these things. But I have this on mine because mine didn't make a complete shut off. So if you've got it where it's almost complete, but it's still making a couple drips, this is a quick, easy fix. You can get one of these brass shut off connectors like this, and this will make it a complete shut off. You see, I've got it turned off inside, and I've still got maybe a little bit of drip going. And so I use this brass shut-off connector for a complete shut-off, okay? If you got a complete shut-off, again, you won't need that part. But you do want to make sure your faucet is shut off completely on the outside. Run any extra water out. There we go, we have some drips. Run any extra water out and make sure you're completely shut off, okay? And then the next thing, and the last thing I do, which is optional, but if it's getting down to -10 degrees, for a couple bucks, you can get one of these from Home Depot or Ace Hardware or Lowe's. And this is just gonna go on the outside of this and help with some extra insulation. So I'll show you how to put that on. I will try to do this with one hand, but basically it just has this little ring right here. You're gonna put that around your faucet, or in my case, I'm gonna put it around a brass connector here. Bear with me, I'm trying to do this with one hand. There we go, okay. So I put it around that, and then it just goes up here. There we go. And that holds it in place on the outside. Gives you a little bit of extra protection from these terrible freezing temperatures. That's it, quick and easy. If you like DIY videos and interesting content, we do all kind of different stuff on the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, any other comments, suggestions, tips, and tricks on how to winterize your house, put them in the comments below. God bless you guys. See you on the next video.